All right, so this is the Ruby Red debit card. It offers 2% cash back paid in CRO and 100% back on Spotify paid in CRO. This debit card is metal, and its no fee ATM monthly withdrawal is $400 US dollars and 2% thereafter, and the interbank exchange rate is 4,000 US dollars monthly with 0.5% thereafter. So, I've actually seen some confusion from people when it comes to reimbursements with these perks like the 100% back on Spotify. And so, to easily clear up all the confusion, we can scroll down and read the fine print, which isn't really fine print. It's pretty obvious and quite out there for everyone to read. It's on the same page of the comparison, and it's not much to read either. So you should definitely give this a read. Um, and we can see that the Spotify reimbursement of 100% back is up to $12.99 US dollar equivalent. So if you're paying the student version, then you're only going to be reimbursed $4.99, as that's the current student version for paying for Spotify student. And if you're paying the family account on Spotify, which is currently $14.99, then you only are reimbursed up to $12.99, and the remaining $2 you'll get 2% back paid in CRO because of your 2% cash back. And I've actually heard people say that they should be getting reimbursed in their own local currency. For example, $12.99 of US dollars is equivalent to 10.72 euros, 10 euros and 72 cents, I guess. But this is just untrue. It may be an opinion, but also other people are saying it should already be happening. Like, as in, why isn't it working correctly? Why am I not getting, But that they're incorrect. That's just wrong. Like, no, that's not how it works. So it's always has it, and it's always shown on the website of how the reimbursements work and what it's paid in as well. So no matter what, it's going to be paid in US dollars as of right now. They may change it later on, but as of right now, we can see on the main website right here that they're paying out the reimbursements in US dollar amounts. And another thing I've heard people say is that they shouldn't have to deposit any money into the card because it's 100% back on Spotify, which they're saying Crypto.com shouldn't advertise it as free Spotify because you need to deposit money into it for then it to be paid, and then you get your CRO. So they're saying it's not actually free if you have to deposit money in and then get a reimbursement. But I honestly think that's just someone looking to try to FUD or something like that, because I personally find that ridiculous, especially because it's stated on the card comparison page right here on how it works. And we can see the Spotify is $12.99 monthly subscription fees, and it's for the Ruby Red, which is 5,000 CRO currently. Oh, and by the way, since this is the first card in the tiers where you actually have to stake for it, you have to lock up your 5,000 CRO for 6 months in total. And once you click confirm and click on all the stuff and lock it up and it's locked, you can't really do anything about it until after the 6 months. So really make sure you want to do it. I'd probably honestly, I'd recommend not putting too high of your portfolio into it. Like, if it's all your money, probably not a good idea. But if it's not, then these cards are actually pretty cool and pretty good deals for them, actually. Maybe not as of right now, due to the changes that's going to be coming next month. But as of right now, 5,000 CRO is $735 for the Ruby Red. But we can see that I made a video on this, that the Ruby Steel will be $400. So it's actually going to be like $300 cheaper. It really depends on what price of CRO do you want to get in at. It's at 14 cents, almost 15 cents. In the next month, it could technically go to 30 cents. And then would you want to put 700 at 14 cents or 400 at 30 cents? Like, which one would you prefer to do? So that's really up to you. And yeah, that's basically all the perks for it. And oh, another thing is, since this is the first staking one, this is a really important factor too. So for people who are asking about the what happens after the 6 months, so you do not have to relock your coins. Your CRO can just stay there. You don't have to re-put it for 6 months to keep your benefits. You'll just keep enjoying your benefits as long as you don't touch it. If you click unstake and move it out, then you will have to restake your CRO for another 6 months. So after the 6 months is up, just leave it how it is, and you'll be fine and keep getting your perks. Another thing is, if you do take out your CRO after the 6 months, or even maybe 8-9 months or whatever you decide to finally unstake, you do get to keep your card. I've seen some people ask that, like, oh, if I unstake, do I get to keep my card? That'd be kind of crazy if they somehow, like, what, they're gonna send the government to your house or something, so the police or something like that. Like, I don't, or maybe charge a really high fee on your account for keeping the card. But no, you get to keep your card. They don't charge a fee or anything like that for you to unstake or anything. But another thing is, if you do unstake and you keep your card, well, do you keep your perks? No, you do not. What you'll get instead are these rates. So for the Ruby Red, you'll get 1% cash back, no free Spotify, and just the $400 for, so just this. So that's all you'll get from it. Which honestly is not, obviously not as good as 100% back on Spotify and the 2% compared to just 1% back. But it's still pretty cool to have the card, and there's they're not that great of benefits. Pretty much any other card offers better rates than what this is, so it definitely incentivizes you to keep staking for it, to continue getting all the benefits. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully you found it helpful. Let me know if you're getting the Ruby Red. If you have any other questions about the Ruby Red debit card, I can answer it down in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any questions about staking with 180 days, or unstaking and staking and the benefits, if I didn't answer it already, then let me know, and I'll try to get back to you. So see you guys later in the next video.